clothes on, I finished straightening my hair. This is my niece wig. This is my bob wig that I created myself. And this hoodie that I have on right now is from Shein. And I think it was like $8 or $12, one of them. I don't think it was no more than that. I'll have to check again. I will have the link below for it. But this hoodie is really good quality. I haven't put all my jewelry on. I'm really probably not going to put any jewelry on. I might just put my Cartier bracelet on. And I have on these really thick leggings. They're kind of like, I don't know. They really don't look like leggings, but they're really thick. They're black. And I'm going to put on my Yeezy Seasame boost shoes. These are my favorite. These are my favorite. These are my first Yeezys. Like, yeah, these are my first Yeezys. Like, I'm gonna actually do a video on all my gym shoes, like my gym shoe collection, because I have a lot of shoes, like a lot of shoes. So I'm going to, can't get them out of the box. I'm gonna put these. I'm gonna put these with this, and they go pretty well. These are kind of like grayish, but you know, you don't have to like completely match. So I'm wearing these because I'm not able to show you guys the whole outfit. I'm gonna probably post a picture or something, or take a picture. So I'm gonna wear these with the leggings and the hoodie. The hoodie is like perfect size. Like, I'm so excited. So also the other thing that I purchased from Shein is this scarf. And it's so big and thick. My sister tried to steal it from me today. She told me, just cut it in half and we can wear it. No. I've been looking for a scarf like this, and this was definitely, and none of this, I bought this stuff myself. I bought it Cyber Monday, I believe. Was it Cyber Monday? Maybe it was like the day before, but it was like the weekend of Thanksgiving. And I just wanted to see, like, personally, if I purchase something from Shein, if it will come perfectly fine, because I know I did a collaboration with them and they sent me my stuff and it came in, you know, good. Like I said once before, I read the comments, you read the reviews on the things, and they let you know, like, the other people that purchased it, they let you know, like, what size, if it's too little, you know, if it comes in smaller size, if it's true to size. Like, so that's all I did for the hoodie. And of course the scarf, I mean, it wasn't that much. So if the scarf didn't come in this thick, I personally just would have just probably sold it on Poshmark or just threw it away or something like that, because it's very affordable. Like, but this is so pretty. Like, if you bought this type of scarf from Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Target, you would have definitely spent like at least $18 or up. This scarf is so big, so big. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna have it on. I don't know. With my jacket, I don't know, because the way it make my hair look when it's on. But yeah, something like that. Oh yeah. Okay, wait, get a little string. Should I let the string hang or no? Because I kind of wanted to show that it's a hoodie. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna wear it just like this, and I'm going to wear my babies. So I have the shoes, I have my leggings, my hoodie, and my scarf on. It is really cold out in Chicago. It's probably cold everywhere at this moment because it's December. It's so close to Christmas. I'm so excited. This is my favorite time of the year. And this purse is going to be what's going to spice it up a little bit. Isn't this cute? Like, I honestly just put this outfit together as I was doing this video, and it's actually turning out so bomb. I'm really excited. I know you guys can hear it in my voice because I'm gonna be cute as fuck right now. Like, so this purse is from, I bought it when I was in St. Louis from the Galleria. What store was I in? This is actually from Forever 21. It's there's nothing in it. I just took the paper out of it. I always keep the paper inside my purses because I don't like them to be like bent. So I'm gonna wear this purse with it. This is so cute how this is coming together. Oh my god, like, I have a long mirror over here and I'm just like staring at myself and I look good. Like, and I don't even have my shoes or my other jacket on yet. So I'm gonna wear this, and I'm going to throw on my gold black leather. It's like a kind of oversized leather jacket. And the only reason why I'm going to wear the oversized leather jacket is because I have on the oversized scarf and the oversized hoodie in a way. So it's just going to all blend together. So I put on the hoodie and the oversized leather jacket earlier together and it was bomb. But my face and my hair was not laid. So if it was bomb then, just imagine what it's going to look like now. And the makeup look, it just came so simple to me. You know, it's really cold out. No one wants to get dressed up. No one wants to do anything. And you can like dress up hoodies. You can dress up anything. As long as like your accessories are kind of like cute, you can dress it up or dress it down. Like I can put on my thigh-high boots, my black thigh-high boots that come up on my thighs, and some like regular jeans. And she is trying to tell me she's hungry. What do you want with my life, Snooshy? Do you say hi? Let's think ahead. So she's in the way. Yeah, she wants to show her face, obviously. And yeah, so basically for what am I trying to say? I forgot what I was saying. Oh, okay, basically but for the winter time you can do anything. Me personally, if I don't have to dress up, I'm not dressing up. I'm not dressing up. So I always, like in November, December, one thing I would never do is do Cyber Monday shopping when I really need something because it's taking forever for all my stuff to come. But for two, I always get a lot of stuff like jackets, quick jackets I can put on, coats, and like different scarves and hoodies. I'm really into the like neutral and dark color family. So I always just like throw on like just a hoodie, a really cute, neat hoodie underneath it. Really, I'm always down with gym shoes. I have Timbs, I have boots, so I just kind of like dress it up that way. And once my hair and my makeup is done, you can't tell me shit. So I'm looking bomb already, okay? You can't tell me just because I came here with some Yeezys or some gym shoes on that I'm not cute, because bitch, I am. My face and my hair is beat, okay? So woo. I'm gonna fill my purse up with everything and I'm going to put my shoes on. I'm gonna head out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My makeup look is really just because it's going off the simple, you know, outfit. I didn't want to do too much. I just made sure that my face was very glowy, and I felt like the red smoky eye was just gonna make the scarf pop more, and you know, kind of be something, you know, something different. You know, too soft would have just made the outfit kind of look like what's going on, I guess. And since I have the blunt cut, it's just everything is flowing so perfectly. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I know you guys like this video, right? Like, who doesn't like a good get ready with me? And I also gave you guys good tips. Like, we can be friends. Like, don't you want to be my friend? I want to be your friend. So also, do not forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. Let me know if you like my outfits. Love to read comments, and I also love to write back to you guys. And thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you guys in my next video.